Question number 9, part A. The nth term of a sequence is 8n minus 3. Part first is write down the first two terms of this sequence. For first term n is equal to 1. Then 8 into 1 minus 3 equals 5. And for second term n is 2. Then 8 into 2 minus 3 equals 16 minus 3 equals 13. So first term is 5, second is 13. Part 2. Show that the number 203 is not in this sequence. Nth term is 8n minus 3 equals 203. Then 8n equals 206. N equals 206 over 8. 206 over 8 is 25.75. So 25.75 is not an integer. So 203 is not in this sequence. Part B is find the nth term of these sequences. Part first is 13, 19, 25, 31. The difference between consecutive terms is 19 minus 13 is 6, 25 minus 19 is 6, 31 minus 25 is 6. So D is 6. By using A1 plus N minus 1 into D. First term is 13 plus N minus 1. First term is 13 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 6. So 13 plus 6n minus 6. Then 6n, 13 minus 6 is 7. 6n plus 7. Second sequence is 4, 8, 14, 22. The difference between their consecutive terms, 8 minus 4 is 4, 14 minus 8 is 6, 22 minus 18 is 8. Second order difference is 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. So this sequence includes square term. So n square plus n plus 2 will be its nth term. We will check it for fourth term. Let's say n is 4. Then this will be 4 square plus 4 plus 2. 4 square plus 4 plus 2 is 22, which is 22. So nth term is n square plus n plus 2. It's part C. The second term of this sequence is 20 and the third term is 50. The rule for finding the next term in this sequence is subtract y, then multiply by 5. Find the value of y and work out the first term of this sequence. First we will find the value of y, and rule is subtract y. So 20 minus y and then multiply by 5 is equal to 50. Now from this 20 minus y equals 10. So 20 minus 10 equals y. So y is equal to 10. the value of y is 10. Now we have to find value of y. Now we have to work out the first term of this sequence. Let's say the first term of this sequence is x. Then x minus y multiplied by 5 equals 20. Value of y is 10. This will be equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 plus 10, which is 14. So first term is 14.